Fiverr Online Job Platform Review Usage Experience. In today's video, we'll be reviewing Fiverr, one of the most popular online job platforms where freelancers and businesses connect for project-based work. I've included the links to Fiverr in the description below, so if you're looking to use the platform or find work, you can get started right away. Fiverr is specifically designed for freelancers who want to offer their services across a variety of industries like graphic design, writing, web development, marketing, and video production. It's a great platform for people who have specific skills and want to work on short-term projects. The standout feature of Fiverr is its marketplace, where freelancers can create service listings or gigs with set prices, allowing clients to browse and purchase services quickly. One of the biggest advantages of Fiverr is its easy-to-use interface. Whether you're a freelancer or a business owner, navigating the site is intuitive. Freelancers can list their services with detailed descriptions, pricing tiers, and examples of previous work, while clients can easily search for freelancers based on skill set, reviews, and budget. The platform offers multiple service categories and price ranges, making it flexible for both small-scale tasks and large-scale projects. Fiverr also supports different payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and Fiverr's balance system, which makes paying freelancers simple and secure. As a freelancer, Fiverr offers a rating and review system, helping you build credibility and attract more clients over time. On the client side, Fiverr offers customer support, secure payments through the Fiverr escrow system, and an overall trustworthy environment for both parties. However, Fiverr does charge service fees, with freelancers paying a 20% commission on each order. While this is higher than some platforms, it provides a lot of exposure and an established marketplace. Overall, Fiverr is an excellent platform for freelancers looking for exposure and clients seeking affordable, fast services. Whether you're just starting out or already established, Fiverr offers the tools and flexibility to succeed. Check out the links in the description to learn more or start using Fiverr today.